Welcome everyone to episode 4 of
Kills with Keith with guest Lily. I'm Lily, he's Keith.
as you can tell, this is the birthday edition. Happy birthday to Mike Kenny, one of our longtime viewers and listeners and supporters over the years. Also, thanks to Ray yesterday for setting up the Zoom, which started at 3:30 p.m. Eastern and lasted all the way until 6 p.m. when we left to have dinner, but people were still on the line. So I think we might have had up to 12 people or so that actually dialed in. And it was a glorious time to share a drink with all of you, which is the point of all this. We want to share a drink with you. Also, we have received some sponsorship. We have guest viewers sending in shirts and stuff to us. So if you want to keep sending in treats to us, send them to our house for Lily, John, Kristen, and Keith. So what are we going to make today?
Paper plane.
What are we going to make? Say it slower.
Paper plane.
Paper plane. Tell us what is in a paper plane.
First, 1 ounce bourbon, 1 ounce Aperol, 1 ounce
Amaro.
Then 1 ounce lemon juice, and last but not least, garnish with a lemon peel.
So this drink is a simple one in terms of the fact that it's 4 equal parts. So once you get the ingredients, you don't have to worry about how much do I put in each. It's really just make the amount of 4 each, and then you can have multiple glasses if you want to. So why don't you tell us a little bit about a paper plane?
Okay, the paper plane was invented by New York bartender Sam Ross in 2007. The drink is a riff on the Last Word cocktail from the 1920s.
So as we said that we were going to start off the drinks with cocktails that are classic, this drink, although it came out in 2007 by this Australian bartender who worked in New York, it's derived from a classic cocktail called The Last Word that also had 4 equal parts. It had gin, chartreuse, lime juice, and maraschino liqueur. But the director was yelling at us a second that I was doing something wrong, which I don't think I did. But anyway, hi Kristen. So this drink, the Last Word was around in the 20s or so, 20s into 30s, and it came back, I think, in 2004 in Seattle. There was a bartender there at the Zigzag Cafe that brought that drink around, which then led people to wanting to do a very similar thing. And Sam Ross apparently tasted Amaro, thought that the liquor was tasty enough that he wanted to find some other way to put it into other drinks. So then he came up with this idea for the paper plane. The paper plane for us, we just learned about it a couple of years ago because Uncle Ray came over and said, let's have some penicillins, which then led to him talking about paper planes, and we had a Christmas that was filled with tons and tons and tons of paper planes. And even Mike Kenny, whose birthday it is, had his first paper plane then. So, there we go. What else do we know about the paper plane?
The goal when Ross invented the drink and how it became popular is because it requires 3 easy-to-find bottles of booze and a lemon.
Right. So as long as you have a lemon in your house and some bourbon, you get 1 bottle of each of these, and this should last you a little bit. Now the fun part, let's make a cocktail. So we have our glasses chilled. We're using coupe glasses today. And then we have some lemon juice already strained, but Lily's going to strain a little bit more so we can make the cocktail.
Alrighty.
That's alright. Squeeze it up. Alright, perfect. That's good.
And that should be enough.
Alright, let's leave it like that. Alright, so now we're going to move this out of the way. I got it. Alright, you pour a little bit of there, start making a cocktail. 4 equal parts. Yeah, fill it up. That's good. So, what we want to do is put a little bit of ice in there, remember?
Yep.
Oh, paper planes are flying in all over the place. Pay no attention, everyone. All right. So add the lemon juice. Add a little bit of bourbon. still coming in. We're being attacked. That's good. I'll take this. Thank you very much.
If you know how to make a paper plane at home, try it.
Yeah, there you go.
Out of paper, too.
Yep, an actual paper plane. That one is a very poor looking paper plane. One of the worst I've ever seen, quite frankly. But we all have different skills. Okay, so next we're going to put in some Aperol once I get my trusty assistant back.
Okay.
Smells nice, actually.
It smells weird to me, but okay. How many? Just one?
Remember, 4 equal plants. All right, that's it. It's a little bit heavy, but I like it. And so this Amaro that we're using today, we had a different version a couple years ago that was a little bit lighter in color. So the color of the paper plane should be a nice bright orange. So ours might end up being a little bit more brownish than orange, but we're still gonna drink it.
Yep.
Not you.
Well, yeah, but
That's good.
we're still gonna
That's
drink
good.
it.
That's good. Let's go. All right. All right. Now let's just shake it up time. You shake it up, and I'll get the glasses ready.
Alright. Time to party. Done. Nice and cold.
Looking good. Looking good. All right. Off to the side, and a couple of lemons. Just toss it right in there. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Nice paper plane, courtesy of Lily. Cheers. Happy birthday, Mike. Don't you drink it?
Good.
Delicious. The lemon flavor with the bourbon combined and the Aperol and Amarol. Delicious. Anything to add to our guests before we sign off? Anything else you want to say? It's a Friday edition, just to remind people we do this over the weekend as well. So Saturday and Sunday, please be sure to tune in. We'll still be doing it on both days, which it shouldn't be raining, which is good.
Oh.
And then we take Mondays off. So just a reminder, Mondays is our day to rest. But, well, this is usually the part at the end.